Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is how to fix Google Ads not showing. You have shown me this image where your keyword match 17 keywords from ad group found. Okay, but still your ad is not showing. Okay, there are a few things. Okay, because you see that your keyword has matched 17 keywords, so there are duplicate keywords. I highly suggest you to create an optimized, you know, uh, uh, campaign with small set of keywords in each ad group, and there should not be duplication of keywords like in above. I also suggest you. I also suggest maybe optimizing your landing page experience, uh, improving your quality score, optimizing your ads, like adding extensions, add deals, promos. There are so many things which you can add with your ad to make it highly attractive. Also, at start, you may have to slightly increase your CPC, but once you start getting your ads rolling, uh, you can reduce your CPC later on by optimizing your quality score, and that is how uh, you can get it run up. Okay, there are other scenarios as well, but I'm saying it because once in a while the lower CPC is also the cause of your ad is not being shown. So lower CPC can also be a reason your ad is not being shown. Okay, there and is another thing as well, that there can be another reason as well, that, like if your campaign is new, like you have recently created a new campaign, you should give time. And if your account is also new, if your account is also new, I highly encourage to wait for at least 48 hours, uh, before getting tensed on this. But still, in case after still 48 hours, you encounter different errors, then it's the time to reach Google support. Okay, me and my team can help you in sorting out, and me and my team can also help you in doing the Google Ads audit to see if there is any issue still left. And in case if you want a Google Ads audit, Facebook Ads audit, or SEO services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get started with this. And I hope this answers your question as well. So in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So once again, thank you for watching. Hope it helps as well. Take care and bye bye.